In this session of the Microsoft Teams tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to schedule a meeting for your team in Microsoft Teams. So here in Microsoft Teams for work or education, I have a team called Distance Education. Here I can go to any of these channels on my team, and then on the top right, notice that there is an option for Meet. If we click on the drop down, click on Schedule a Meeting, and then put a meeting title. Next, add the attendees. Here we can search for the attendees. We can also add optional attendees, the time and date, a particular location, if that was going to take place on site, meeting details, and so on. Now notice on the top right, you also have a scheduling assistant. Now in my case, these are test accounts, so it's not going to display the actual accurate schedule for those accounts because they are not maintaining a particular schedule. However, for other users, you'll be able to view their availability, so you would be able to find a good time for you to meet with them. Notice you also have suggested times, and then once you're all set with this, you press send. And then this will add it to the feed here for the discussion, for the posts feed. It will also send it an email invite, and it will prompt them in their scheduling software, in most cases Microsoft Outlook.